Hi, good afternoon, friends. I hope everyone is in good spirits and doing good in their lives. So, welcome to another video of MARKETSAARTHI. In the previous video, we had talked about quick buy, how quick buy functions, and I hope you guys are able to understand and take trades using that feature from our software, from our indicator. Today, I'll be talking about different buy patterns which our indicator shows. So, we'll be covering buy, good for buy, and strong buy. Let's just start with a bit basic more understanding of the indicator and with strong buy feature. We'll be focusing on strong buy. So let's start the video. Index I have taken is Nifty Bank and the time frame is 5 minutes. And let's start the date of action we are looking as 22nd of August 2023. So this is actually the date. This is actually the date where I had first started using this strategy with manually. I was drawing these levels and marking these levels and a lot of tedious work which was there. So this is a day where my trading journey actually took a U-turn, you can say. So let's have a quick look. So I'll keep the speed a little slow. I'll keep explaining how the market is functioning and how we should be going about it. So if you're seeing the market opened at a fair at the same level it had closed, but it took a rejection from the max resistance area in the first 5 minutes and it gave a reversal sell signal. But since the body color is yellow, we will be ignoring the signal and we can just see that the market is going sideways. Now, this kind of a market is a killer for a option buyer. A lot of us are option buyers and we need strong momentum to trade in the market. But since the market is lacking momentum, you can clearly see the number of yellow candles which are there. They are they are more as compared to a green or a fully red candle. So this indicates that the market is sideways and we should not be taking any trades on the put side or on the call side. If someone is into option selling, probably they can have a trade out here, but not for an option buyer. And there is no put trade till these levels are broken. Either we can short a trade, we should get a reversal sell close from this area, and the market is going down and it is breaching this line of control here for the day, and then the short trade is on. Otherwise there is no short trade on before market starts falling with red huge red candles. So we are just looking at the buy signal now. After a consolidation of price, slowly the candles have started turning green, and after that we post there is a huge breakout where the market price is going above the resistance one level and it is starting to trade close to the max resistance area. So a trade here could be slightly risky. So we'll wait for the signal of strong buy here. Once the market starts trading close to max resistance area, always keep in mind that you should be looking for a signal like this, strong buy. Now a strong buy has come, and if just see, if I'll mark the highs and the lows for better understanding the concept. The high is 42,222 and the low of this candle is 44,156. So it is approximately a 48 sorry, so it is a 46-48 points candle for us. Now, as I had mentioned in the documents, that one can look for a trade on a strong buy above the high of a strong buy candle, or if the next candles, the following up candles are closing within the body, just look for the trade on the as the candle starts to go above this or higher range of the strong of the reference candle. So let's play. Now here our entry is triggered and let's see how many points we are able to get. Okay, so our stop loss is hit, but the candle is not closed and see the price is reversed. So this is starting to go up. We can enter again here. There is no problem. We can enter again if the price is hit. Once the stop loss is hit, we can enter again. This is the beauty of the software. This will not let you go wrong for a long. So on the long side, now since we had this trade active out here again, we had 42,000, 44,222 entry, and see it gave 100 points out here. Now so it is still going above that. There is no sign of a completely red candle for us to book. Yes, these kind of patterns indicate that the momentum is losing, but you can use a trailing stop loss feature. Level to level you can play here, and you can keep holding your trades, or you can book partial quantities and you can manage your trade accordingly. So if, this now let's this is the candle where I'll be booking my trade fully. Whatever happens after this, even if the price goes up or price goes down, is not my concern for the trade I took there. So here I am booking out fully. Now we had two trades here. So the first trade we had a stop loss which triggered, and we would not have gained much. We would have lost 50 points. Now let's see the number of points we were able to generate on this one. So we had an entry on the high of this, and the low of this candle is ours. 219 points is what we get, minus 50. So we are still in a profit of 150 points. So this is the beauty of strong buy. Once the market goes above the max resistance area with strong buy signals and the candles are green, fully green, that is, and if the price is retracing back to the max resistance area, that is what I had particularly noted and written in the document as well. If the price is retracing back to the max resistance area, you guys can just keep your trigger orders, sell orders, limit orders there, and with a lower stop loss you can trade and you can make a lot of money out here. So let's see how it actually goes after this. So let's see if we get another entry. So my next entry would be here when the market is going above this level with a green candle, fully green candle, same condition. I need a full green candle, not these candles, not the candle with a red border, green body and a red border. That would not do. I need a candle which is giving me a clear trade. So there were no trades for the next day. Now just look at the next day. Okay, this is pretty interesting scenario here. So we are having a huge gap up, and immediately the first candle in itself is giving us a good for buy and a strong buy. So my entry for such candle, which has both good for buy and a strong buy, can be above this. You can immediately see that there is a next candle, which is a follow-up candle. It has a blue line moving. So this can be your stop loss. And for the risky traders, for the traders who are aggressive in nature in trading, they can probably have a stop loss here. So this is for conservative ones and this is for the risky ones. And stop loss, guys, I normally don't suggest to anyone personally, like for trading you should have a stop loss, that is, but stop loss depends on the your own risk management. That is the reason, that is why I said that I don't suggest. Suppose my risk taking ability is rupees 3000 per trade, so I am accordingly going to be managing my quantity, seeing what kind of price action I am having. If I was having this trade somewhere here and I know the risk is lower of the market turning against me, so I would trade aggressively here. With aggressively, by aggressively I mean aggressive quantities. I'll go for more quantities, but since here the market could be rewarding me more, and or it could even turn upside down, so I'll keep my quantities to where I can hold the trade for a longer time and I can manage. So let's see. So our entry is above this candle or this candle. We can take our first level and our second level is met, and we still have a momentum which is on the upside. The candles are green with a red border, so that's signaling us a decline in the momentum. And this is where I book out fully. This is where I book out fully. So if we even take an entry out here and from here, it's a 72 point, but since we like lot of us would book at level to level also. So just for seeing purpose, we can just see. Okay, sorry. So this gave us about 180 points. So this is where Markets Aarthi can really help you in your day trading. and it can make you more. It can strengthen your beliefs about the market, about your trades. It can give you better conviction. It gives you a blueprint. That is the most important feature of our market strategy. It gives you a blueprint for trading, for intraday trading, which is highly challenging in current scenario. And the real time chart reading is there in the software, which allows you to pick the trades, and it helps you to become self master. Trust me on this, guys. If you're just following the disciplines and the rules and which I have mentioned in the document, or I'm speaking and I'm sharing my inputs here, if you just pay attention and if you're ready to learn more and give time to this, and can follow the rules set which is there, you can become a self master. You won't be needing any groups for calls. You won't be needing to look at the different softwares which are out there. I won't be naming any softwares, but there are a lot of softwares people are getting used to. You don't need any of those. This is and with trading view, this indicator now even works on the option charts, and it gives us beautiful trades. So you don't need to go anywhere else. Just invest wisely in your time with this, and you can make a lot of money out of it. So let's have a look at further how it goes. So with just in the previous video, I talked about that market resistance area is a very crucial area. Once it is broken, it becomes support for that day. So if I have to take a retracement trade, I'll wait for the price to consolidate here, and if there are any green candles which are again forming and giving me a strong buy, again with a minimum of risk, with a level below, I can take a trade. I won't be trading these. I won't be trading these for a short, because once I have got a trade which has given me 182 points, I don't want to get into a zone where my over trading kills my profit. There are no signals as of now. So this is where it is very wise, and it protects your capital, it protects your profits. Still no signals. The market has come down. It has come down to market see resistance one, and is exactly taken support from here. So let's see how it goes. We are still at 1 p.m. on 24th of August. So now market is starting looking to break the resistance one level. Probably if we get a reversal sell signal here, that is what we can trade. But let's see how it goes. So this is giving me a buy. This is still not giving me a sell. This is still indicating that the price is on the upside. It is not, the moves on the downside are not convincing enough. See, totally sideways. Once it comes out here, it is becoming sideways. And another important point, guys, wait for the signal to come on the screen. At times, the price moves aggressively up and down. There could be a signal which could pop up. Do not trade on those pop-up signals. Just wait for the price to come, for the signal to come on the screen after the bar has closed. Patience is the biggest asset a intraday trader has to have. It is totally sideways. One candle is red, one candle is yellow, one candle is red, one candle is yellow. It is playing around. So let's stop this one here. It will otherwise go a bit long.